Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we are back again with another video, and we have some special tools that we're going to be using today to assist us with all the fun that we are going to be a part of. Let me just share with you what we have. We are going to be using these lovely little tilters. This is done by PSR, which is pour, swipe, and repeat. And they have little pinholes inside so that you can use push pins to attach them to your canvas. And that's what we have underneath our canvas today. Also by PSR, we have this Puffy 2000. I saw this with Tammy Anderson and thought it was so cool. I've been wanting to do this anyway, and this is a hose where you can help with your Dutch pour or any other your acrylic painting, where you blow in one end and you use the other end to assist you with the design. So those are two things we have so far. Third thing is this little doll right here. This is a red Decker dustpan, and it's actually got a little rubber end on the edge, but it's a stainless steel one. And it is got a nice little handle and a strap on top so that you can hang it. Very lightweight. I actually have my little deal here, strainer here, to keep it in place for what we're going to be doing today until I need to move it away. And that's just to keep it from moving. I've been wanting to do a pour using a dustpan, and this is going to be fun. So we're going to get started and see what happens. So let's begin. We have, as a base paint today on this 12 by 24 inch canvas, we're going to be using DecoArt, and this particular one is the Peacock Teal. We'll also be using Golden's Paynes Gray, along with Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. We have Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. This is Blickrylic Titanium White. We also have Pebeo Studio Blue Vert Iridescent. The Amsterdam Turquoise Green, along with Amsterdam Prussian Blue. Last but not least, we have Pebeo Studio Argent Iridescent. So we're going to see what happens with these amazing colors. There's 6 of them plus the base. Actually, there's 8 of them plus the base, and so we're going to begin with those colors. I also have not done this before, so it's going to be one of those things that we figure out as we go. I'm going to start with using, actually I'm going to start with a little bit of the turquoise, teal green, teal blue, Peacock blue, adding that to the base of our dustpan. And I'm going to be adding the other colors to it and hoping that we can get what we like. This is the Paynes Gray, Turquoise by Amsterdam, that's our Phthalo Blue. Here's our white by Blickrylic. We have Pebeo Studio Blue Vert, Turquoise Green, really pretty colors, Prussian Blue, get a lot of that in there, and then we're putting the Argent Iridescent on top. Get a lot of that in there as well. Now I'm going to take to assist us because we haven't done this before. I'm just going to add a little bit more on the outside here, the Blickrylic white. And that's to help with our movement. I also think I'll come back with some of the, let's see, Prussian blue, adding it to this right in here, just deepening this, because we're going to have teal as our base pretty much. Well, we want to do a little bit more. Let's put some phthalo blue inside here. And we'll put a little bit of turquoise in the middle of that. So maybe enough paint, it may not be enough. We don't know yet until we try it. We're gonna take and use a skewer just to put some design through here, right? And we'll see where that takes us. I'm going to take this away. It's not heavy. Thank God we've got a lightweight. Just moving it aside a little bit. It's actually going to sit a little more balanced than I thought it would. And I'm taking the teal now. This is the Peacock teal that I want as a base color, pretty much. And remember, this is a Dutch pour, so I don't want to spend a lot of time overblowing, but I'm going to take an outline the canvas with this, holding on to the dustpan shovel and using both hands to try and get this paint covered. This is fun. I'm enjoying it already. We're going to see where it takes us. Getting some of that over the edge, and this is going to be down the middle. So we want to help it out, seeing where it takes us. All right, so let's go ahead, since we got most of this down, pretty much, and we're going to take our handle here and start at this end, and we're going to just push it right on over the edge with a nice, smooth, slow, but steady motion. And I don't know that we have enough, but the colors that we have here are amazing. We're going to let them run right on over. Keeping in mind this will be a Dutch pour, so we will be spraying or blowing this out. And it run right on off the edge here. It's giving us lots of pretty dark colors. Have nice phthalo blue. Love what this is doing down here already. Okay. So let's take it and stop it right there. Put that aside. Find our torch. Pop air bubbles. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Just to be sure that we get enough For the colors we're seeking to see, I'm going to add more color here. This is the Paynes Gray. Love that color. And we are going to add some, just add a few more colors here. Deepening this. This color in particular isn't seen as much, so we're going to pull some of this in here, a lot more down this area. Prussian blue, just going through and adding what we see we've used already. Putting every one of these back in, these colors, to ensure we have enough to blow when we blow for our Dutch board. Okay? Excited about seeing what happens here because this is amazing. Torch again. This would be a nice abstract. Okay, I'm loving this, really, really loving this blue here. I think I'm going to put some of that in here again. This is that Amsterdam Phthalo blue. Okay, taking this skewer right through it. All right, and here we go, guys. Well, one more torch. See what happens. Amazing. This is so pretty. Wow. I didn't want to touch this. There's a little more pink there than I like to leave on there, but that cluster of design is just spectacular. And the cells are just unbelievable. We've got air bubbles, so we want to pop those. Loving this. So pretty. A lot of air bubbles here. So pretty though. I love what it did. I love this. Oh my gosh. Still more air bubbles. This color combination is just amazing. Really pretty. Okay, let's see what we have here. Need to touch that up a little bit here with some base paint there. Oh my goodness. We have got to bring you in for a close-up. This is quite an attraction and I don't want you to miss it. So let's do it. And here we are, everyone. This is the close-up. Look at how amazing these cells are, and the colors are just spectacular. Here's where we place the variation of colors, and we did a lot of making sure that we had lots of opportunity to see all of the colors here. So we laid more color paint down, probably a little more than we needed to, but I'm really pleased that it came out like it did. If you can see that iridescent, Argent iridescent sparkling right on top of that turquoise, it's just beautiful. And the cells and lacing in here are just amazing. Look at here. Look at that. Wow. I love this. Peacock Teal is our base, and all the colors that we have on top have really come together so nicely and really made for an amazing piece of art. Lots of rich detail, lacing, cells. We have one studio light on, and that's why you can see this. And looking up close, you can see all of that iridescent shine and sparkle throughout. The Paynes gray, the phthalo blue, the turquoises, the turquoise blues and greens, all was showing up very nicely here. Great, great color combination. Well, let me know what you think. I think it turned out spectacular, and I'm very, very pleased. We did not get a chance to use our Puffy 2000, and I guess because we didn't really need to have the extra hand with blowing things out, so we'll have to use that tool again. But this has been fun using some new tools, and I like the fact that these tilters make the canvas stand up a little higher. You can see them on the bottom here. These come in a set of 4 for about 10, 11 bucks. And the push pins come with it, so you can see also how nicely our sides are looking at this point. This is going to look amazing with a coat of resin. And we have a lot of resining to do once we can get back to that. You can see on top, there it is. A very, very amazing set of colors, really coming together nicely, and I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Leave us a comment. Give us your feedback. We so welcome it and appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much for giving us your time. If you haven't subscribed, please come on, join us. We'd love to have you with us. This is a great opportunity to grow together. So thank you for your support, and until next time, keep loving your art, and we'll see you on our next video upload. Bye now.